you need to pack your biscuits in a simple, versatile, and cost-effective way? Our weighing machine, BG Easy with double channel, is the right solution. Designed and manufactured in our factory in the province of Vicenza near Venice, this machine is specially designed to dose small, irregular, and fragile products, such as biscuits and small snacks. Simple to use and to be programmed. Easy to clean, fast, and reliable. Our BG Easy can be combined with a mini continuous sealer that allows you to seal various heat-sealable bags precisely and professionally, even with a cardboard. In addition to the basic model, our BG Easy can be sold with the PLC touchscreen that allows you to program and save various recipes, depending on the product. This makes the machine simple and intuitive to be programmed. BG Easy Double Channel, the ideal solution to dose taralli, biscuits, and many other irregular products. The machine is very versatile and suitable to various types of products. You can customize the machine with various options, such as an anti-crumb system. Possibility of customization according to customer needs. C.I.A. Confezionatrici also has a wide range of fully automatic machines. For more information, visit our video channel, www.confeziona.it, and our official website, www.C.I.A.srl.it. C.I.A., Italian packing machines. Since 1986, we dress your products worldwide.